Hi everyone, I received my RoadTest product from Element14. So here it is. It's a OpenScope MZ from Digilent. It's a mid-function instrument with a 2 MHz bandwidth oscilloscope. Now let's open it. Here we go. Here it is inside the cardboard box. Bubble plastic and nothing. Well, let's see, what does it open here? Nice. Comes with fly wires. It's very good. Here is the board itself. OpenScope MZ is run by a big 32 MZ, which is a high-performance microcontroller. Pads are available to connect the programmer here, so you can update firmware. Have a USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, so 2 ways of using your OpenScope MZ. These rubber pads on the bottom will hold the board over the table quite well. Form factor is still great. It has a SD card connectivity, micro SD, so it's possible to store data. Well, OpenScope was designed to be an accessible tool to make electronics closer to everyone who wants to learn. So it must be very easy to get started. Also, OpenScope is an open project, which means you can check its schematics, firmware and software. 3D model for printing. You can print a case, a beautiful case for it, and firmware and software are hosted in GitHub. Well, in the next videos, we'll see how easy it is to make use of OpenScope. See you later. Thank you.